How to do Who Are You in Love with Story Trend on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my Instagram account and I will show you how to do this trend too. So follow the steps in this video. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the page. Then here you can search for my account or Insta trends. So it's easier to go to my account because this is the only trend that I have on my page. So you will find it much more easier. So search for Ali and John. YTT, just like this. Click on the profile and then after that you have to click on story trends right here at the new. And then from here you can click on add yours. And then after that you can click on the record button or you can just add a picture of yours. So click on that, add one picture and then you can move the sticker and then click on send to. And then share it to your story. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. And also if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.